Smart Chinese learner, have you gotten value of this video about transportation? Does this apply to you? Does this apply to what you are learning? And how is your day-to-day looking like? If this video has given you value, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to hit that subscriber bell button below. And if you find this video beneficial to someone, also and share our video to them so that they can take advantage, and also we will be able to reach out to more Chinese learners and help them with their Chinese learning journey. And I'll see you on my next video. 再见。